Welcome to Fluent English Talks. If you want to speak English more naturally and confidently, shadowing is the best way to do it. Shadowing is one of the most powerful techniques for learning English. When you repeat right after me, you're not only practicing words, you're training your ears to hear natural English, your mouth to copy the rhythm, and your brain to think faster in English. It's like exercising your fluency muscle. The more you shadow, the more confident and natural you'll sound in real conversations. Today, we'll shadow 144 sentences that take you through a full day from morning till night. Each sentence is short, clear, and easy to follow. By the end, you'll feel your English flowing smoother and sounding more natural. So, are you ready to shadow with me and live a full English day? Let's begin. My alarm clock rings at 7. I slowly open my eyes and stretch. The morning light fills my room. I get out of bed and walk to the window. What a beautiful sunny day outside. I head to the bathroom to freshen up, brushing my teeth while planning my day. The cool water feels refreshing on my face. Now I'm choosing what to wear today. A blue shirt and comfortable jeans. I smell coffee brewing from the kitchen. Breakfast is simple, toast with jam. I check my messages while eating breakfast. Time to pack my bag for work. Keys, wallet, phone, got everything I need. I lock the door and step outside. The morning air feels crisp and clean. I see children waiting for the school bus. The park is full of people exercising. I decide to walk for part of the way. My favorite song plays through my headphones. I cross the street at the traffic light. The city is slowly coming alive. I stop to pet a friendly dog. Its owner smiles and says good morning. I can see my office building now. I feel ready for the day ahead. I grab a quick coffee from the cart outside. The barista remembers my name. I take the elevator to the 10th floor. My desk is exactly how I left it. I turn on my computer and monitor. The familiar startup sound makes me smile. I organize my notes for the day. My colleague brings me a small pastry. We chat briefly about the weather. I start by checking my urgent emails. One email requires my immediate attention. I make a strong cup of tea. The first task is a report. I concentrate deeply for an hour. My manager stops by for an update. She's happy with my progress. I finish the report before lunch. My stomach is starting to growl. A group of US go to a new cafe. I order a salad and soup. The conversation is light and fun. We discuss our favorite TV shows. I head back, feeling refreshed. The afternoon is for creative work. I brainstorm ideas for a new project, writing them down in my notebook. I have a video call at 3. The connection is perfectly clear. We finalize the project timeline. I feel a sense of accomplishment. I take a short break at 4. I drink a large glass of water and eat a piece of fruit. The final hour goes by quickly. I respond to all pending messages. I update my to-do list for tomorrow. I shut down my computer at 5. The office is much quieter now. I say goodbye to the security guard. The evening sun is still warm. I decide to take the bus home. I find a seat by the window. I watch the city pass by. I get off at my usual stop. I walk slowly towards my apartment. I check my mailbox in the lobby. There's a postcard from a friend. I read it while riding the elevator. It makes me feel happy. I unlock my front door and enter. I kick off my shoes immediately. Finally home and comfortable. I change into soft sweatpants. I put on some relaxing music. I water my plants on the balcony. One of them has a new flower. I decide to cook a simple dinner. I chop some onions and garlic. The sizzling sound is satisfying. I cook some rice in the pot. The whole apartment smells amazing. I plate the food carefully. I eat while watching a documentary. The food is delicious and warm. I clean the kitchen right after. I wipe down all the counters. I take out the recycling. Then I collapse onto the sofa. I scroll through my phone for a bit. I see many funny memes. I send a few to my friends. My family group chat is active. We plan a video call for Sunday. I do some light stretching. My body feels less tense now. I think about my English practice. I feel good about my progress. I learn a new idiom today. Break a leg means good luck. I practice saying it aloud. My pronunciation is getting better. I take a warm shower before bed. The water helps me relax. I use my favorite lavender soap. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I floss thoroughly as well. I moisturize my face and hands. I set my alarm for tomorrow. I plug in my phone to charge. I choose a book for my shelf. I read one chapter every night. The story is getting very exciting, but my eyes are getting heavy. I mark my page and close the book. I turn off the main light. I leave a small lamp on. I double check that the door is locked. I get into my comfortable bed. The pillows feel soft and cool. I take 3 deep, calming breaths. I think of 3 good things from today. First, I finish my report on time. Second, I had a healthy lunch. Third, I learned a new English phrase. I feel grateful for this day. I let go of any small stresses. Tomorrow is a fresh new start. I can hear the quiet city sounds. A distant siren, then silence again. My breathing becomes slow and steady. I feel sleep gently coming. My mind is peaceful and quiet. I drift off into a deep sleep. I dream about speaking English fluently. It feels natural and easy. I know I will get there. Good night and sweet dreams. Amazing work. You did it. You just shadowed 144 sentences in English. I'm so proud of you for completing this practice. Remember, consistency is the key to fluency. Try to shadow with this video every day this week. You'll be amazed at how confident and natural you'll start to sound. Now, tell me, what was your favorite part of the day? Was it the morning, the afternoon, the evening, or the night? Share your answer in the comments below. If this shadowing practice helped you, please support Fluent English Talks. Subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. Bell Your journey to fluent English matters. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and trust the process. I believe in you. Slightly smiling face.